All right. Enough asking. Yes, I will unbox another beauty subscription. This time we're doing Julep. So I'm gonna start opening this right now. Whenever I was looking up different beauty subscriptions to try out for you guys and myself, I came across Julep having a trial for $5, and I'm not sure what I think about it. Just by ordering it on the website, you get 3 items and you get to pick them, so it's not really a surprise. But I ordered this over a month and a half ago, so I don't remember what I got. I know it's like face creams, nail polishes, night mask, nail treatments. I can't really remember what else, but we're gonna find out right now. Just paper. Okay. Yes, okay, so now I remember. I got 2 nail polishes and something for my face. Cairo, get off the tripod! Now I'm remembering. So I got 2 nail polishes. They are Julep brand. This one, don't remember what it's called, but I remember picking them because they were vegan and cruelty free, and I actually really like this one, the shine on that. So I got, it's like a opal, like purple and gray, and then I got like a purple shimmer, and these are gonna look really cute together. You can see I need my nails painted, so try these out. And then for my last item, hydrating cleansing oil, another Julep brand product. This is supposed to give you softer, hydrated skin without like an oily residue, because when I moisturize my face with products, I feel like caked on stuff. It looks like it has a foam head on it, so whenever I use this, it's most definitely gonna foam up. It smells like, what does it smell like, baby?
It smells like our incense.
Garden? Oh, like the incense. I don't know what it smells like, but it definitely smells clean. And they have the hashtag Brave Pretty. I like that. If you could put it on, you could pull it off. Let's see what we got in here. This is just explaining the beauty box, where every month you get a new full-size products. You get to customize your box. This is just explaining how it works. Welcome to Julep. But this was fast. I'm pretty sure I got this within 5 days, maybe 6 or 7 days. I got it within a week of ordering it, I know that. And I also got 50% off your next purchase. Cover that up. But if you guys want to try Julep, the first person to comment wanting this code, I'll give it to you. You can have 50% off. I'll probably just keep my subscription going because you can't have too many nail polish or face cleansers. And it was $5 for a trial. I mean, I think it's 10 a month, maybe. Or maybe it was free trial, $5. No, it was not $5. Don't know. I'll figure it out, and I will leave it in the comments for you guys. But that was a quick and easy unboxing of Julep. I'm a fan of the full-size products. I mean, can't beat it. And the colors are cute. I'll let you guys know how it works. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All of that will be linked down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.